Hello, this is Victor Santana for Stock Hunters Stock Video for May 18th. How's everybody doing? Hope everything's going fine. Let's go ahead and take a look at how the market was last week. So let's get started. Okay, as you can see right here, we're looking at the Wilshire, which represents the whole market, U.S. market, and it has triggered a sell signal based on the way I follow trends, and it broke down from the last 2 weeks ago, so it may be up as of this week, but it might be a early warning signal here. If you want to notice here, we have a lot of resistance up in this area here, which is a long-term investment signal here. So let's look at the other ones now. Now, looking at the Dow, consider this neutral with a bearish tone. We're still above this area over here, which is the 81.21. So if it breaks below that, I would consider getting out of the market or selling substantial any holdings you may have. So let's look at the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is pretty much the same way too, with the NASDAQ of neutral with the bearish tone. And as you can see here, it is already encountering a heavy resistance area in this line. So it's going to be tough to see if it's going to actually want to break above anything higher than here. So you might get lucky if we even get up to this area, but let's wait and see. Now looking at the S&P, I would actually move our sell stop right underneath 2 weeks ago, right under there. So if it goes under, then get out and just wait to see how the market corrects itself. On the S&P, I'm also considered neutral with a bearish tone on this. Then we're looking at the Russell 2000, which is the small caps. And as you can see here, with the Russell 2000, neutral with a bearish tone, I would put ourselves exit point right under here, where we opened up, and see where it takes us again. You could notice the red line here, which is going to be a lot of resistance in that area. Now we're looking at the global market. Globally, it's been holding out better, and I am neutral on this, but with a slight bearish tone. I would move the sell stop up higher and just wait to see if it can manage to break over. But again, you have that red line here, which is a lot of resistance coming down at us, so it just played very safe. Now I want to go ahead and look at some individual ETFs that may be considering worth looking into. We're looking at the gold here, GLD, and this is last week's weekly candlestick pattern, and it has been going up. So if you want to get in, I will put a sell stop to start with it right over here. I have a small position in this. I started it out, got half of it out, and moved my sell stop. I will move it up and right in here to guarantee a profit on this. And as far as oil, that has moved above the green line here, which is normally a good probability of a trend starting. It floated around here above the medium blue line, so won't see any resistance till way up here. So this might be a good early opportunity, but it's as an early stage, so I would put a sell stop right under this area right over here to exit in case the trade goes against us. or actually the investment. Then we're also looking at utilities. Utilities, I would actually move the exit point up higher right here and see if it manages to go over the medium trend line, which is blue, and we are going to be encountering some resistance over here on the red line here with the utilities, but we'll see how that works out. And then finally we have healthcare. Healthcare 2 weeks ago has signaled a trend, potential trend. It last week floated around on the upper end, which is a good sign. So this might be worth getting into and checking out. I would put the exit point on this one here, also right in this area here, in case the trend reverses. And that's pretty much it. As in conclusion, there's a lot of neutral to bearish signals out in the market, and also there's many inverse ETFs that are starting to look good. Two of them in particular is SDS, which is the S&P inverse, and the QID, which is the NASDAQ. In the short term, these are showing positive signals, but we should follow these and see if it triggers the weekly signals. And that's all for this video, and may the trend be our friend. Take care.